Hi everyone, I hope you're always in a good condition. Before starting presentation today, let me introduce myself. I'm Karin Harda from UPI University Psychology Faculty. Well, in this presentation, we are going to discuss about role of GAV, GAFE or Google Apps in student life. The adoption of Google Apps allows various groups to share contents via wikis, Google Docs, for Google Forums, and Google Sheets. A typical example is how students use Google Forms to conduct a survey, facilitates ease of collaboration, and drawing statistics to draw conclusions. User gains the ability to add calendar entries directly from the Gmail accounts. Let's move ahead to explore the critical role Google plays in students. Empowering students. Google is widely recognized for empowering students irrespective of their age, gender, nationality, and religion. It provides students with limitless opportunities to explore varieties of the topics and give them equal advantage to access the information. Give Give tools are powerful and easy to apprehend by managers. Simultaneously give access to students to all the change in different timestamps. Inadequate selection. Google offers a great range of choice for both educators and learners in terms of compatibility with reading materials. Google Apps provide revision history so that students can see all the changes at one go, or if they are they are available during teaching hours, they can access lecture in their free time. Sudarsana 2019. Communication. Google Apps facilitates both communication and collaboration in order to achieve optimum productivity in a limited period. For instance, GAFE-based course websites, students will be updating their knowledge and can see their assessment procedure. They can also take help from assignment help expert assistance from Google Meet if they find any difficult in writing assignments. Enhance productivity. Last but not the least, Google Apps have been able to penetrate deep in the education system irrespective boundaries because it provides free service for students or sometimes very cheap. Its educational devices are affordable and easy to maintain. At the same time, it is supported by the best talent pool in the world. Conclusion. We have started this blog by signifying how Google has achieved massive success over some time and penetrating deep into the educational sphere. There we extract a significant growth has been seen in Google Apps installation and utilization for sharing documents, drive, video aiming, or transforming learning and teaching all together. In the next sections, we have tried to present a shred of evidence to highlight the growing rate of GIF adoption in the education system by sourcing statistics adopted from any source. Later on, we determined how many universities in America are emphasizing on Google Apps or partner with the company to make learning dynamic and interactive. At last in the blog, we have discussed the role of Google Pay in education by illustrating key points such as Google Apps allow various groups to share contents via wikis. Google Docs, Google Forums, and Google Sheets. Also, it facilitates both communication and collaboration in order to achieve optimum productivity in limited time span. I hope what I give and I explain can be useful for all of you. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.